COVID-19 vaccine rollout in the country continues to be riddled with challenges. The technical team responsible for the registration process says allowing people who haven't received an SMS to be vaccinated is causing some major problems. The team's also warning that this leads to some sites actually running out of vaccines. Meanwhile, health workers not yet vaccinated will from today be allowed to register. Well, Heidi Giokos is watching it all for us. Let's find out what's happening from her side. Heidi, very good morning to you. So complaints that the EVDS system is not working and that there have also been some glitches that are being experienced, that are being picked up. What is the health department saying about all of it?
Yes, certainly, Vika. So we do know that many people have taken to social media and many people have actually expressed their dissatisfaction with the electronic vaccination data system that has been established by the Department of Health to assist those that are eligible for phase 2 to get the vaccine and register online, saying that they registered from day one when the system went live and they are still waiting for SMSs to be sent out. But the Department of Health is saying that there are no glitches in the system and that the electronic vaccination data system is working perfectly fine. Also, the Department of Health is saying that the system has been designed in a way to allow for those that have registered first to get the SMS and voucher numbers first before the system actually looks at those that are perhaps more vulnerable or those who are 80 years old or 90 years old to get the SMS. Many people were saying, our elderly family is more vulnerable because they're 80, but those that are 60 are getting the vaccine first. But the Department of Health is saying that that system doesn't work like that. The system is designed to queue those who have registered first, and they will get SMSs and vouchers. But also what the Department of Health is saying is that walk-ins causes a bit of a disruption on the electronic vaccination data system because it does not allow for the system to send out the SMSs and allow for them to actually go to the vaccination site. Instead, people walk in and then a voucher has to be sent out then and there. So we spoke to the Department of Health who is in charge of the electronic vaccination data system, and this is what he had to say.
The walk-ins. We strongly discourage walk-ins for a large number of reasons. The one is it makes planning of vaccine distribution very difficult indeed. And this is a labile vaccine that has difficult refrigeration considerations in the whole chain of its distribution. Notwithstanding the fact that the storage conditions have been relaxed a little bit, it's still quite a difficult vaccine to manage. So we are discouraging walk-ins. But if someone did succeed in registering, either as a bona fide healthcare worker or as by telling a white lie and just putting in any old details and registering, we will not have a way at the moment of knowing that those people, that they are not healthcare workers. And they will be able to walk in and schedule or even unschedule some of the appointments to get vaccinated. But since Sunday, there's no new additions to that group of people.
How many?
Only over 60s can register since Sunday. And then, of course, as I've mentioned, for healthcare professionals registered with professional councils, from either later today or tomorrow, there will be an option for them to be able to register.
All right, so where you are now, Heidi, I believe it is Naledi in Soweto. What are you seeing? Are you actually seeing lots of walk-ins? Are you seeing sort of the glitches having an impact then? Are you also seeing anybody who's there to help the elderly register?
Yes, so we are here at this Naledi Hall where the City of Johannesburg has established a number of vaccination sites within the city to assist those who are eligible to get the vaccine phase 2, those are 60, who are 60 and plus. But what we are picking up on the ground is that there are people that are unable to or have not been able to register. I'm just going to move out of shot so I can ask my cameraman, Gift Chabalala, to actually just show you how the process is running quite smoothly effectively here, you have a team that has been set up with all the electronic devices to assist the elderly to get registered and, of course, to be able to move into the vaccination sites and get the vaccine. So we were told, Yuveka, and this is why there's contradicting messages here, we were told by the government, the provincial government in Gauteng on Monday, Thabo Masebe, who's a spokesperson for the Premier's office, that we understand that they do accept walk-ins because, of course, there are elderly people that don't know how to register on the system and they need to be assisted. So it's contradicting messages where EVDS is saying we actually should not be accepting walk-ins. It messes up with the system. But you have a fully fledged team here that is assisting with registrations, which is crucial because this community here has a lot of elderly people and many people don't know how to register. Many people don't understand how EVDS works and they need to be assisted because they want the vaccine, they want to get vaccinated, but they should not be penalized because they haven't registered prior or haven't received a voucher number because they didn't know they needed a voucher number to get here. So we are seeing it on the ground and it's a positive side to this because people want the vaccine and there are people here to assist them with the registration process. But of course EVDS is saying it actually messes up with the system, but you are seeing people come in because they're old and they need assistance with the electronic devices and they don't know how to register.
And also transport, things like that, which might be easy for other people are not easy for those in some areas. All right, Heidi Giokos, thanks very much. That's the latest on where we are with vaccination rollout in some places. Problems are being experienced, but hopefully we can get through them. But some positive news coming through in terms of support for those who aren't able to actually register and get on the system. Still on the way here on